Freaking beautiful, man!
Because this place is known for its wheels. Look at that guy. I'm very excited about that. Oh fuck. This shit. Good morning everyone, it's a new day. Today we're going to the beach and I'm excited about that. Let's see where we will end up.
We're on top of the world, baby.
Look at that guy. I don't know how he came there, but he's a good climber. That's one thing I know for sure. So, we've just arranged. Oh fuck. That's shit. Bird shit. We've just arranged surfboards, so we're gonna go surfing. I'm very excited about that. So guys, we are going surfing, but I'm also on the lookout with my zoom lens because this place is known for its whales. And I actually think I am seeing a whale jumping out of the water, but I have to look back the footage because I haven't properly seen it with my own eyes. We're in the back again. Thanks! I'm going surfing with someone who hates water.
Hello guys.
Let's go! I've already catch some nice waves. I always love the mountains from up the sea. Just look at that, that's freaking beautiful, baby! Yeah, we got that one! Tastes so sweet and I can't deny it. Life's a treat, I just wanna try it. This is the good life. Soak in the good vibes. We're living out our dreams. We're living wild and free. So drink up the sunshine, 'cause everything's alright. It was awesome, man. Loved it. I love it every time I go surfing. I need to become a surf instructor or something. I don't know. It's awesome.
I hate the salt water.
And then I noticed something. We're at the beach.
It looks delicious, Mika, I must say.